VJ, where's he from? Good morning from A2. Maybe that's Ann Arbor. Oh, you guys are clever up there. Anyway, isn't BRKB a good long-term investment in a taxable account as they don't pay dividends? Is investing, dollar cost averaging, every week too much? Is monthly better? Well, those are two very different questions. I think BRKB, which is the B shares of Berkshire Hathaway. So just as a background, companies can have different share classes. Google, for example, has different share classes. Berkshire does too. And in fact, if we look at it, I'll pull up my stock app and show you because I have them both here. So BRKB is right here. It's currently trading, you can't see this because it's too small, but about $324. And that's what I own. And that's what VJ's asking about. BRKA is trading at $486,000 per share. Yeah, Buffett quite famously does not split the A shares. And in this case, A shares are the only ones that can vote. You can't vote your B shares. But they're worth the same. Obviously, B shares, a single B share it represents a smaller ownership in the company than a single A share. I think it's 1/1500th of an A share, I think. Well, we could do the math. In any event, there's two reasons apart from Warren Buffett that I really like Berkshire, and I do own the stock. Is one is VJ mentioned, they haven't paid a dividend. They don't pay dividends. That could change, and I would be okay if they decided to do it. To me, it's a question of capital allocation, but they don't pay dividends, and so it's a very tax efficient. Basically, you only pay taxes when you decide to sell. You have complete control over the taxes, and it is a very diversified company. In a way, it's like a large cap mutual fund. Except unlike most and it's an actively managed one, right? Except that unlike most, or maybe all other actively managed funds, it has Warren Buffett. Okay, but let's even put that aside. They can buy whole companies, right? They buy operating companies where they control the company, the cash flow. They obviously own stocks as well. But I mean, they have railroads, energy company, utilities, obviously a lot in the banking and finance. They own Geico Insurance. They own Dairy Queen. I mean, who doesn't like a good blizzard every now and again? So I think it's a great investment for long-term buy and hold investors.